lessons for us. Explore the secrets of coral reefs, where even after trouble, tiny bits of coral can grow into new homes for fish and sea creatures. Speaking of fish, zebrafish are like little doctors. They teach us things that could help fix human hearts one day. It's like a treasure trove of secrets for making people better. Meet the Hydranature's tiny miracle. Our adventure ends with a tiny creature called a hydra. It's so small, but guess what? If you cut a tiny piece, it can grow into a whole new hydra. It's like magic. As we finish this amazing journey, know that nature's healing magic is all around us. If you loved this adventure, join us for more by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for taking this incredible trip into the heart of healing.